Today we're going to show you a fantastic aftermarket stock and handguard for the Remington 870 and how to install it. It's the butt pad and handguard from none other than Magpul. It not only looks great, but it's a big improvement over the stock handguard and butt pad. Before working on any weapon, make sure the weapon is unloaded, chamber empty, and safety on. Special thanks to Master Gunsmith Scott Drake. As you can see, he applies a little oil to the screws. This helps a lot when removing the old butt pad. With that being said, the first step is to remove the existing factory butt pad. One of the cool features of the Magpul butt pad is that you can adjust the length of pull by adding or removing the additional length of pull spacers. To do this, remove the butt pad slider by loosening the slotted head slider screw. The slider can then be pulled off the back of the stock. Add the length of pull sliders to your desired length. Then simply reinstall the butt pad slider. The only tools you'll need to replace both the butt pad and handguard are a flathead screwdriver. All the other tools should be included with the Magpul butt pad and handguard packaging. It's a hex key Allen wrench and a tool to loosen the handguard. Once you've removed the factory buttstock, it's time to install the Magpul buttstock. First, align the receiver plate on the stock, then align the stock on the receiver with the plate in between. Install the bolt and tighten it using the included 3/16 inch hex key. Be sure not to over-tighten. Over-tightening can cause damage to the stock. Install the thumb strip over the receiver bolt by sliding the end without the texture down into the butt end of the thumb strip groove, and then push it into place, working from the bottom up toward the receiver. And now for the handguard. Remove the factory handguard by removing the magazine cap, barrel, fore-end tube nut, and handguard. Loosen it with the included tool. Align the Magpul handguard with the magazine tube with the slots and Magpul logo on the handguard away from the receiver toward the muzzle. Slide the handguard onto the tube until the rear of the handguard is seated. Slide the castle nut over the magazine tube and tighten it using the included tool. Do not over-tighten. Reinstall the barrel and magazine cap, and you're done. At first I wasn't too sure about the orange color, but it sure is a head turner to say the least. The handguard is really comfortable, and being able to adjust the length of pull is a nice luxury. My Remington 870 now sits comfortably right where I want it, and I'm able to get a better sight picture and shoot it with more control. I highly recommend this handguard and buttstock from Magpul. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit our website, straightshootingshow.com. Special thanks once again to Scott Drake from Drake Fine Sporting Arms. You can visit his website at dfsa.us.